What's up, Diva fam, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Obviously you can tell by the title down below, we are back with another unboxing. For those of you who've been here before, I used to do BoxyCharm and Ipsy, but ever since the merge, I've decided to watch my spending and go down to 1 box a month. Instead, before I used to do 3, which was crazy. But yeah, so I have my icon box for the month of May. Sorry, I'm a little bit behind. But for the month of May, this is the first icon box, or the first, basically this used to be like Boxy Luxe or the Glam Bag X. I think that's what it was through Ipsy. And now they've kind of merged it into 1 box, and now it's called the icon box. Anyways, let's go ahead and jump into this, and let me show you the items that I got for the very first month of the merge with the icon box. So for those of you who've been here before, you know the gist, but those of you who haven't been here before, well, you're about to find out the gist. So you guys know the gist. If you like videos like this, it's a video, a big thumbs up because it helps me out so much. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel because you know you want to, and don't forget to go ahead and hit that notification bell down below so you never miss a video with me, your girl Sandra D, and let's just go ahead and get into this. So obviously you can tell there's something a little bit different. I don't know which video is going to go up first, this one or another video that I'm filming right now. But yeah, I'm going back to my blonde phase. Some of you who've been watching my YouTube channel obviously already know that. This is not the final stage though, I will say. It's, as I'm looking like in my monitor, it's coming off very yellow. That's not what I want. I don't like the brassy tones. I want it to be more like a bleach blondish yellow, or maybe like a silver, not, oh my god, bleach blondish, a bleach blonde, or like an ashy tone, like silver blonde. You know what I mean? That's kind of where I'm going. If I can put up an inspo pic, I'll put it up here, and that's pretty much what I'm going with, because also I have the whole like shadow root thing going on, so there's that. Give the update. Also, for those of you who haven't been in my channel, hello, 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 how are you? My name's Sandra D. I would love for you guys to be a part of the hashtag Diva fam. I film videos 2-3 times a week. They are beauty, lifestyle, and makeup videos. So for you guys to go ahead and subscribe if you can down below, because obviously, you know, I look at my stats and it tells me about like 65% people that watch my videos aren't subscribed. And you definitely should be subscribed, because every single time I hit 100 tier and my subscribers, wow, I always do a huge giveaway, whether it is, and I also have it open for everyone, but also I do monthly giveaways. It just depends on like what stuff I have. Also, I like to do declutters of my makeup collection, and this back here is kind of what's, you know, compiled of stuff that I want to give away, but there's also, I could probably go through more of my makeup collection, and also I gather stuff from these boxes that I don't think I'm going to use or like, so I feel like every other month when I get these boxes, if I have the opportunity to, I will definitely make sure I'm able to do giveaway, and I want to try and keep doing like at least the 1 month giveaway, or a giveaway a month, whether it's like on the end of the month or at the beginning of the month. I will figure that out, because obviously my channel, I'm trying to put more of my heart back into it. If you guys haven't seen my whole life update video, I will link it down below. But yeah, trying to get back to some normalcy, trying to get back to life. And so let's just go ahead without my rambling, jump into this icon box. So they changed the boxing the way it is now. It like, I feel like it's almost about to like fall apart. The last box I got was exactly the same, and it was, I feel like, the same size or slightly smaller. I don't know if I'm about it, because they also throw in like this weird confetti stuff. I don't think it does anything for the shipping, like keep anything from like not breaking how they did before. If you guys know, you know how they used to put in like bubble wrap, or like that really big like foam padding that was in here, or even like the big paper that would help all this. And I feel like with a box like this, all this stuff is being able to be like thrown around, like that's doing nothing for me. Ipsy, what are we doing? Can we please do better? Please do better. But yeah, so this is the first icon box. The icon box was, oh my god, was a collaboration with ANASTASIA Beverly Hills. So she's the one that curated the box, and is ANASTASIA, as you can see right there. So we did get the brochure like we used to before. Kind of shows you all the different products that you could have gotten. Now, the way that this is done, they choose a few products for you, and then the rest of it you choose yourself. Which is pretty crazy. So we have this, so let's just go ahead and jump into this as I get rid of this nonsense of whatever this is. Okay, So right off the bat, this item is not included because I'm going to take this out because it's actually an add-on that I decided to get because I really wanted to try this. I believe I spent an extra $15 on this. This is the MAC Lash to Lips. This has the MAC lipstick in, it just says red, and then also a primer, and then the mascara that I've been wanting to try. This is like the travel size of it all, so this is not included in this box, but I've been really wanting to try this, and for $15 you can't go wrong with all this. So the travel size, this is obviously worth way more than what this is. I forget what the original value is, but I feel it's like $35. And then obviously we get the red lipstick. What is the shade in this? It says Lady Danger. So this was an add-on. It's kind of like an orangey red, so I'm excited for that. But yeah, so that was my add-on. So not included in this box, but I'm excited because I really want to try that mascara. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products that are in this box. And let's just go ahead and dive in. I feel like I remember what products they chose for me, and then the products I chose for myself, I think. Or maybe not. I might have to pull this up, but I kind of honestly feel like some of the stuff was already chosen for me. I think all the ABH stuff was already chosen for me, and then everything else I chose myself. So right off the bat, obviously it's curated by ABH. So these are the 3 ABH products that are actually in my box. This is the cream bronzer in the shade Amber. I don't think I got to choose a shade, or maybe I did, and then the shades that were in there were already I think this is the best one that I could have chosen for myself, or they chose it for me. I don't remember. If I can look into it later, I will, and obviously I'll put it in the editing of this. I cannot open this with crap. I'm about to rip the packaging, so it is what it is. Trying to get this out. Okay. I've never had any of their cream bronzers before, so I'm super excited. So this is what it looks like. I think that will work very well. It seems a bit more on like the warm tone. So that will have to be a venture of its own. Let's go ahead. Should I? Ooh, okay, very creamy. So it looks like on my finger. And then on my skin, there's that. So definitely more on the brown side of it all, but kind of on the more warm tone. So I think it'll do very well as like a bronzer. Obviously it is a cream bronzer more than like a contour, like a deeper shade would. So there's that. Then we have these 2 products here. This is the ABH Definer in medium brown. I think it's because I redid my quiz and I said I was blonde. So I think that's why they gave me medium brown, which is fine. I kind of want my brows to kind of blend in with my actual, here's what that looks like. It has a spoolie on one side and then kind of like a triangle type of point. So let's go ahead and see how that is. Oh yeah, that'll definitely work. That's more of like an ashy brown, a mid-tone brown, so that'll be really fun to use. Okay, bet. I do have the Anastasia Brown Freeze. I also have the ABH Brow Gel, which is in a deeper shade that I actually keep in here. This is in the shade Ebony. Love this. And then this is the Magical Touch and Go Concealer. I don't think I've ever had a concealer by them before. I think I chose this shade. Maybe, I don't remember. So I definitely chose like a lighter shade. I've never tried an ABH concealer before. Hopefully this should work. Oh yeah, that's definitely going to work. So there's that. That's what that looks like. Okay, cool. So we are good to go on that. You know what? I'm just going to chuck it in there right now at the moment. Some of these products I definitely want to try out in a future video when my makeup isn't actually completely done. So there's that. Chuck that in over here somewhere. I don't know where. We'll figure it out. Okay. And then, oh, I do remember, so this is a product I got to choose. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Ultra Fine Mist Hydrating Glow Radiant. It says that you can use this as a facial mist in the morning, and then basically that's it. To use, hydrate. You can also use it as a refresher to enhance your makeup. So if you need like kind of to take away like your face is getting really dry. You can use this as a refresher as well. I've never had this before, so I'm stoked to try that out. I bet this has to smell super good. Okay, we're gonna go ahead. Oh, yeah. Smells delicious. Smells like a Jolly Rancher. Love that. Really good mister on it. This product was already chosen for me. I remember this is the Ole Hendriksen, oh my god, Ole Hendriksen Strengthening Peptide Booster Moisturizer. I kind of needed a moisturizer because the one I've been using by LMS, the superfood, is like practically almost gone. So I'll be needing a new one soon. But I think I have a different one I want to use first. But you can never go wrong with Ole Hendriksen. So I love that. Then we have an item by Volation Golden Eye Brightening Eye Serum. So this was a product, I think it was one of my options to choose from, just like the Glow Recipe one was. I think this was a pump, so it definitely is a pump. It's 15 milliliters. I have a few other eye serums I want to use first. I think I have one by Ole Hendriksen that's sitting in there, or one by Mura that's in my drawer. So I'm going to keep this one in the packaging just so in case I might want to give it away to a family or friend, or maybe with one of you guys in the future. So there's that. But I will say the first product I ever got from this brand is this serum right here. This is the Strawberry Sea Brightening Serum with vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. I actually really, really love this, and you can actually see little bits of like strawberry in this. It kind of reminds me of like a knockoff brand of like the Glow Recipe kind of stuff, if you know what I mean. So, but it's really good, really good. So you have an opportunity to choose one of those items. I definitely would say choose one. Then we have the Wander Beauty. This is the Skinny Dip Lip Treatment Oil. This was a product that was one of the options to choose from. And obviously I'm going to have to cut it open. Got to find my scissors. So let's go ahead and cut that open. And it looks like just like a regular, I'm thinking a regular lip oil. It looks like it's like has a tint to it, so I definitely love that. You can never go wrong with lip oils. Oh wait. I thought it was like going to be like one of those squeeze tubes. It's not. It doesn't have a scent to it. It is a darker shade. I'll probably end up using this at some point, so there's that. Definitely a very beautiful color. I do love products by Wander Beauty, so that'll be really nice to use. And then there's one last product that's in here. This is by a brand I've never heard of before, and I think this was chosen for me. This is the Beauty Stat Universal Pro Bio Moisturizing Boost Cream. So I'm just really confused on why they gave me like 2 creams. Yeah. I don't know if I'm truly impressed by this box yet. The ABH stuff is really nice. I definitely think I will enjoy those products for sure. And obviously the Glow Recipe one I chose for myself. So there's that. And let's see what this is. So this is just like another cream. This kind of reminds me of like, oh my god, what's Drunk Elephant? Like the packaging. You know what I mean? Just smells like a regular cream. Okay. But I do like the size of this. So this looks like this is like travel size, but even though probably full size. So that will come in handy because I guess I am kind of traveling for work again. I'm going back and forth between a city that's like an hour and 15 minutes away. So it'll be fine. It'll be fine. But yeah, so I'll be using this. Alright, so that is everything I got in my first icon box by Ipsy. Again, this was curated by her. I think I took a screenshot, if I can find it. I'll put it on here, what the total value of my box is. But I definitely know it was a pretty good, there's a pretty good variety of products that I could have chosen from, but that's what I decided to get instead. So the bronzer itself, the cream bronzer is $35. Let's see, is there anything else? The Beauty Stat is $50. $50 for that little thing? What? I swear, some of these prices like trip me up. We could have actually gotten one of like the palettes in here, but I think I opted out of that. I didn't want a palette. I have one too many, so I'm like, I'm cool. I'm good off of that. Let's see, we also have the Glow Recipe Water Mist, which was $29. The Wander Beauty Lip Oil is $22. What else do we have? I don't think it's showing me everything as the options that I could have gotten in here with prices. The concealer, it's not giving me a price anywhere. Let's see, Dewy Setting Spray, nope, nope, nope. I see the picture of the concealer, it's right here, but I don't see a price. Oh wait, never mind, it's hiding over here. The brow definer is $26. The concealer is $29. I don't see Ole Hendrickson anywhere hiding in here. Do you guys? Because I didn't see that. So I think that was just like a random item they threw in here as an option because they probably ran out of something, you know, on their first icon box. But I don't see Ole Hendrickson anywhere on here. And I know that was a product that was automatically chosen for me. I did not choose that. So, I don't know. So anyways, that's everything I got. Do I like it? Do I love it? I'm not sure. Not sure at all. So anyways, I love you guys so much. Let's end this video, and I will see you in the next one. So you guys know the gist. If you like videos like this video, big thumbs up because it helps your girl so much. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel because you know you want to, and don't forget to go ahead and hit that notification bell down below so you never miss a video with me, your girl Sandra D, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.